Hey, what's up everyone? This is Sal, owner of Klean Rides here in San Jose, California. And this is my 2023 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro.
You did?
One of the first things that I noticed about R1, as soon as I contact them, someone actually gave out all the information I wanted to hear. They're very helpful in deciding what options I should run with what I have. I reached out to a few different companies. They kind of just blew me away, especially being a brand new platform. They didn't really want to mess with it. When I reached out to them, you know, they were able to accommodate 6 pistons front and rear. I know some companies only do front, and when they told me I was able to run 6 pistons on the rear as well, it made me very happy. So I had to go with them. Great product. I've been having them on my Sequoia for about 40,000 miles. Great customer service overall and great product.
10 days straight.